Question number 6. Now he's saying the graph below shows the cost y. This is the cost, and this is the y. Okay, in dollars for shipping a package weighing x. So this is the mass for it, and this is the x. Okay. Now let's say, based on the graph, how much does sending a package of 9 kilogram cost? That means you need to know the cost of sending a package of 9 gram. Okay? So let's see. Let's have a look on the graph. As I told you, as a directly proportional, that means it has to come from the origin, so which is 0, 0. Okay? So no problem about this one. We'll start seeing this one. Here it's saying that I have 2, max 2, and here will be, okay, this is, let's say this is 2, 4, this is 6, okay, and this is 4, 12, 6, this will be 18. So now, let's say that we need to know if these points, if I divide these points to each other, it will give me a constant value, which is k will equal y over x, right? So let's have the first one. 6 divided by 2, it will give me 3. So 6 by 2 for the first point will give me 3. Okay. Second point, 12 divided by 4, 12 is the y, and 4 is the x, so 12 divided by 4, 3 also. Let's have the same other value. Y is 18, and x, 6, so 18 divided by 6 will be 3 also. That means it's directly proportional and it's coming from the origin, so y, k will be equal 3, so y will equal 3x. Okay, we got the equation now. So let's see the question now. How much does sending a package of 9 kg cost? As I said, the mass here is x, so the 9 will be here, multiplied by 3, equal $27. So this is the right answer. Okay? So we'll go to other question. Now, the same thing here. Question number 7. Here, and instead of giving a graph, I give you a table. And it's saying consider the table of following values. This is the x, starting from origin, 0, 0. Then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and y, 0, negative 12, negative 24, negative 36, negative 48, negative 6. Now I say, if y varies directly, which is, this is the symbol for proportional directly, with x, that means y directly proportional with x. If you convert it, that means it would be kx. Proportional to equal kx. Enter the proportionally constant. If not, enter no. So now, this is the equation which we have, and we have here the values for x and y, x and y, x, y. So that means that k, which is the proportionally constant, will equal y over x, right? If I divide here by x, divide by x, I will get the k, so y over x. So let's see. So negative 12 divided by 3 will be 4. Negative 4, negative 4. Don't forget the sign. Negative 24 divided by 6, it will be negative 4. Negative 36 divided by 9, it will be negative 4 also. Negative 48 divided by 12, it will be 4. Negative 60 divided by 15 to be negative 4. So I have a constant value, so that means k will equal to negative 4. That means the answer here, it will be negative 4. Okay? Okay, here, take care that here is saying what y varies directly with x. So y equal to kx. The part B is saying the opposite. It's saying if x varies directly with y, it means that x varies directly with y. That means x will equal kx. So ky. That means that in this case, if I divide by y here, so k will equal x divided by y. Right? So let's see. 3x divided by negative 12. So it will be here, which will be negative 1 over 4. 6 divided by 24, it will be negative 1 over 4. How come did this come? I'm saying 6 divided by negative 24. 6 divided by 6 here by 1, divided by 6 here by 4. Okay? So same for others. Negative 1 over 4. Negative 1 over 4. 15 divided by 160 minus negative 60, it will be minus 1 over 4 also. Okay, so that means it will be negative over 1 over 4. Okay, maybe you don't want it like this, in a fraction way, so we'll do it as a decimal point, so we'll make a division. So 1 over 4 cannot be done, so I have to put decimal point here, so I have to put 10 here, 0 here, so 10 divided by 4, it will be 1 multiply 4, 4, 2 multiply 4 is 8, 3 multiply 4 is 12, 12 is bigger than 10, so I will take 2, so 2 multiply 4 will be 8, so it will be 2, as I have a decimal point, so I can add 0 here, so 20 divided by 4 is 5, 5 multiply 4 is 20, so the answer is 0.25. Negative, of course, don't forget the negative again, or negative 1 over 4. Okay? This is the answer for this question. Now let's see